Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I took my hair from purple back to blonde using no bleach. Stay tuned. So I've had the purple in for a while and I've got a bit bored of it, so I'm going back to blonde. So let's get started. So in order to do this, you're going to need 4 ingredients. The first one is baking soda. The second is purple shampoo. The third is washing up liquid. And the fourth is a cream peroxide of your choice. Next, you're going to need a bowl and a mixing brush so that you can put all the ingredients together. I didn't have any measurements for this, so guys, do not judge me. I just kind of put everything in the bowl and mixed it together. Also, for your cream peroxide, most people I've seen on YouTube use 10% developer, but I used 12 because that's all I had. And yes, I feel like I put a little bit too much and I went a bit too crazy, but yeah. Anyways, keep watching to see if it works. Now we're going to mix it all together and get it to a nice consistency so that we can put it all over our hair. Why am I saying oh? It's just me by myself. Me, myself and I would advise actually that you measure each ingredient that you use and put the right proportion, because I found that it was really foamy at first until I was able to get it to a right consistency to put all over my hair. So now we're just going to put it all over the hair, and I'm just going to fast forward this part so that we can get it all done. Voila, we're all done. Now I'm going to look at my imaginary watch and I'm going to go on my phone and check my trades and do some new setups for my Forex trading. Time to wash it out, and this is the results, guys. As you can see, the purple is all out. However, when I looked in the mirror, it looked a little bit green. It looked quite minty green, which was really nice, but that was not the look I was going for. You can't really see the minty green in this video, but it was green, guys, I promise. What I did to solve this was put more purple shampoo on my hair, and I left it on for 20 minutes and went back to trading. And a little bit of silly dancing to keep you entertained for the time being. Hey, get it, get it, I get it, I get it, hey, I get it. Okay, it's time to wash it out. Let's go. And this is the final results, guys. As you can see, it looks a lot whiter and all the color is out. So now I'm going to recolor it blonde, and this is the result. Bye, guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on that notification so you know the next time I'm posting a video.